Hello, this is JD from JD's Kitchen Capers. I've got a delicious recipe for you today that's really simple and very low in carbs. In fact, probably no carbs at all. It might sound a bit strange, but it's an omelette pizza combo. For your base, you'll need 6 eggs, a bit of corn flour or potato starch, salt, and also for your toppings, some tomato paste, and really, apart from the cheese, whatever topping you like. I've got some mushrooms sliced thinly, some pepperoni and some onion. We're going to start by breaking 6 eggs into a bowl. We want a teaspoon of corn flour or potato starch, and we're going to whisk it all together. Let's turn our stove on, and I love to use olive oil because it gives it a richer flavour. When the oil's nice and hot, here's the little trick: swirl the oil around. You know when you're making an omelette and it sticks to the sides? This will stop it sticking. And while on high, we're going to pour our mixture in. And we're going to put the lid on and turn it down to medium. It's been a couple of minutes. You can see how the omelette has cooked all around, but still a bit wet in the middle. And we're going to add our ingredients. That's quite easy. Look how easily it comes out off. We'll squeeze a bit of tomato paste, some onions. I love using the little button mushrooms because they will soak up all the fat from the pepperoni. Here comes our cheese. We're going to stick it under the grill just until the cheese melts. Look, it's been 2 minutes and it looks golden brown and it's perfect. As I said, we don't want it to burn. So here it comes. My goodness, that looks delicious. Look at that. It's my favourite time again when I get to taste it. Giving it the JD's thumbs up. Thanks for joining me. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thanks again for your support. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time for another episode of JD's Kitchen Capers. Enjoy.